Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to mute live video during calls on Gmail, an updated feature that can really enhance your video calling experience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Discord app on your Android device. Make sure that you have it installed and that you're signed in so you can access all your conversations effortlessly. Once you're in the app, look for the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. It's usually represented by a speech bubble, so tap on that to open your conversations. Next, scroll through your chat list and find the conversation you want to connect with. Tap on that chat to open it up. This is where you'll be able to jump into a video call with your friends or colleagues. Now locate the video call icon within the chat. It's typically shaped like a camera. Tap on this icon to start the video call. Just a moment of wait, and you'll be connecting with the person on the other end. Once you're in the call, here's where the magic happens. If you find that you want to mute the live video, maybe you need to focus on something else for a while, or simply want to take a break from showing your face, don't worry. Just tap the video icon again during the call. This will immediately mute your live video feed, allowing you to remain engaged in the conversation while keeping your video off. And there you go. You've successfully muted your live video during a call on Gmail. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.